Hello friends, let's begin our practice for this weekend mini session just for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Take the position near the wall, near your door, okay, so that you'll be able to lift your legs as near as possible to the wall and your hips have to touch the wall, right? So, best of all, take this position wherever you are having this wall and this door bell, okay, door gap or door please. Then you just sit down, right? Sit down, lie down, and then scoot your body towards the wall as much possible. Your hips are totally in touch with the wall, right? Take the position up as much possible. Go down and down. Take very correct position for midsection we are doing the exercises. Every Friday will be mini session for 15 minutes. So take the position. I hope your hips are in touch with the wall, right? Now your feet are coming. Your right foot you are lifting and keeping in the gap of your big toe and second toe, right? This way. And then bring it in front as much possible for you, right? And then start just shifting your right leg back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maintain that leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just relax for a while. Once again go back and relax for a while. Place well your legs totally on the wall, right? Now bring your come in front again, come as much possible for you, and then start taking your left leg back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can hold your one leg. 5, because it happens sometimes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like our right hand is like left and right leg also happens to move that, okay? Because we use more right hand, so right hand moves very easily, but left hand is trouble. The same way, your leg also, your foot also, left foot is instead of moving, your right foot is coming forward. So just keep on shifting your foot from back to forth, back and front, back and front, back and front. Just relax. Relax for a while, stretch out well, toes towards your body and relax your legs. Just relax for a while. Whole weight is on your waist region, lowest back region. So relax well. Feel the stretch into your lowest back region. Just take the position. Once again, try to bring them in front as much possible. Hips are in touch with the floor. Keep on correcting yourself. Hips are in touch with the floor and try to bring your legs in front little. Hips are totally in touch with the floor. Do not move your hips. Right? Now just start. 1, 2. Once again the same thing. 3, 4. You can take it completely back or side. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can hold your left leg with your hand. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax for a while, stretch out well. Hold weight on your waist region again, your upper hips region, lowest back region. Just relax. Take the position once again, bring it in front, exactly 90 degrees to the floor. Hips are in touch with the floor. Hips are in touch with the wall. And then start, hold your right leg and keep on moving your left leg. It happens, but just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just relax. Just relax. Place your palms. Sorry. Place your feet. Your heels, back of your heels are in touch with the floor, in touch with the wall. Okay. Just relax for a while. Let that whole weight of your body comes on your back region. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Okay. Now just fold your knee joints. Just fold your knee joints comfortably. Still your hips are in touch with the floor. Little go down and adjust your hips. Okay. Let your hips will be always in touch with the wall. Right. And now fold your leg and open your one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple way. 6, 7, 8. Keep on pressing your abs region. 10. Squeeze your abs in. 12, 14, 16, 18, and relax. You simply open your legs little and again place it on the same place. Okay. Stretch out your left leg. 1. Stretch out and again place it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, abs squeeze in. 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and relax. Open your both the legs. Just relax your body totally. Just relax your body totally. Just relax. Now next exercise for which I have asked you to come to this position. Relax for a while. Relax for a while. You can relax this way also. Just hold your ankle joints and bring them as low as possible. Body, just relax. Feel the stretch into your hips region. Just relax. Okay. Now you are holding your left leg, right? And lifting your hips also while lifting your leg in front. Okay. Not totally in front, little bit. Okay. But take the support of wall for with your left leg, right? Left leg is in touch with the wall. Your hips are also in touch with the wall. Go down and bring your hips as near as possible to the wall. They are in touch with the wall, right? And your left leg is folded, not totally folded. You need not take it to 90 degrees, just like that, hitting it, okay? Just to hold support. Now you have to lift your hips also while lifting your leg, okay? Just hold it. If you want, you can hold your body or you can just keep your hands aside, whichever is comfortable, right? And just lift your hips. 1, come down. 2, come down. 3, come down. 4, down. 5, down. Squeeze your abs in, squeeze your hips in. 10 I believe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoever is able to do, continue. If not, take a break. Need not continue it. Take a break. Whoever needs, I think 20 over. Just relax. Relax your legs. And then open your legs. And then bring them near your body. Just pull your legs towards your body so that your hips are open totally. Just relax. Relax for a while. Relax for a while. Just relax for a while. Now hold your right. Once again, adjust your position. Bring your hips as near as possible to the wall. Bring your hips in touch with the wall. Your left foot also in touch with the wall. You are just holding your one right leg. Now we are holding our right leg. Okay. Once again, you are lifting your body totally. Your hips are coming up, right? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just relax. Relax whoever needs it. 11, 12. Whoever needs a break, take a break. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and relax. Bring your legs down. Open your legs. Relax for a while. Just relax for a while. Just relax for a while. Feel the stretch into your hips totally. Feel that stretch into your whole hips region, your glutes. And now hold your both the legs, your ankle joints, and bring your legs towards your body. You can lift your head also if you need, just to give complete relaxation to your back region. You can give good curve to your back region and bring your legs as near as possible to your body and relax. Just relax for a while. Whoever needs, they can bring their legs down and relax for a while by stretching, or you can just fold your legs for a while. Fold your legs for a while. Bring your fold your legs again. Try to bring your hips as near as possible to the wall. Keep them in touch with the wall. You can widen your feet. You can widen your knee joints. Sorry, not feet, your knee joints. So that automatically your pelvic joints also are relaxed. You can press well down as much possible. Just relax. Take the position. I think it's enough, that relaxation. Whoever needs it, they can pause and take some relaxation. Okay, right? Now, next exercise. Now keep your both the legs, hands aside if you want, or you can keep them under your hips also if you need it. But aside is enough, okay? Take the position. Now again, you are lifting your hips up, but your both the feet are in touch with the wall, right? Just lift and come down. Inhale when you are down and lift. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze your abs in. 4. You can keep bringing your legs down and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and relax. Just relax your whole body. Just relax your whole body. Stretch out your legs. Stretch out your legs well. Toes upwards. Toes facing to the floor, facing to the sky. Relax. And then once again, hold your ankle joints and bring them as near as possible to your body. So that, and you lift your head also up. Give good curve to your back region. Just relax. Feel the stretch into your hamstrings. Relax now. Just relax for a while. Feel the stretch into your hamstrings especially. Now keep your one leg, right? One leg is up, other leg just you take it down and bring it here and then cross it. Cross it as much possible. Keep the leg in touch with the floor. Left leg is in touch with the floor. Your hips are also in touch with the floor. And then cross as much possible for you. And then bring down again. One, totally down. Bring again up. Cross well. Two, three, cross well as much possible. Take your own time. Let your leg go down if possible. 5, down, 6. You are not turning your body. Your body is totally straight. 8, I believe. Bring down. 9. Whoever needs a break, take a break and keep relaxing and then start again. 11, I believe. 12. Hips will be as near as possible to the floor, to the wall. They are coming up little bit, but keep trying to bring them down. I think 13 over now. 14, cross well. Try to touch the floor down and then bring it up again. 15. Continue if you can, if not, take a break. 16. 17, cross well. 18. 19. And relax. Cross. And then come back. Right? Take the position. Just relax for a while. Just relax for a while. Just relax for a while. Just relax. Right? I will just go that side. I need to bring my leg down. Again, bring your hips as near as possible to the wall. Let it be in touch with the wall. Right? Now take the position. Other leg. Cross. Go cross well completely as much possible for you. And then bring it down. 1, I think this one is coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross well, but don't turn your body, okay? 5. Feel that stretch. Feel that total stretch into your oblique region also. 8, 7 or 8, I don't know. 8, I think. 9, 10. Bring it down. Here I have problem on this feet. I am not able to bring it down completely. That plug point is coming in between. Okay? You can try to bring it down completely, your leg, and then lift it up. I think 30 over. Take the position well. Keep on correcting your position correctly. Okay? If you are sliding your body, take your body again correctly. Okay? 15 I believe. 16. Try to bring your leg completely down as much possible for you. 17. 18. 19. And 20. Just relax. Come up to straight position. Stretch out well. Feel the stretch into your back of your knee joints also. Stretch out well. Bring your hips towards the wall. Keep them in touch. Towards the wall. Keep in touch. Exhale well. Relax well. Exhale well. And then once again, hold your ankle joints. Give good curve to your spine and bring your Bring your head up automatically. Then there will be good curve to your spine. Squeeze your abs in. Hamstring straight. Legs straight. Toes towards your face. There practically. Keep on inhaling. Press well. Press well as much possible. Hold well. And relax. Just relax your whole body. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Slowly bring your legs down totally. This will be the comfortable way. If you do it near the door, you can bring your legs down in that gap, okay, while coming up, or again while sitting also. That way it helps a lot, okay. And then come to sitting position, position, and then take the position. Just take the position and now lie down in Makarasana, okay. Makarasana you know very well. I will just show you this way. Okay. Lie down and while bring your legs apart, okay, legs apart and toes towards your body. They will not be going down. Your legs are towards your body, okay, and then crossing your hands and placing your palms on your shoulders. Place your palms on your shoulder and your head is rested on that cross and bring your toes towards your body, not downwards, okay, upwards. Your toes are upwards. Keep on inhaling, Makarasana position, just for relaxation. Relax your whole body. Generally, I don't do relaxation, but because you are trying new item today, that's why I'm giving you. Relax your whole body for a while. Take this relaxation without pain. Just relax. Keep on inhaling. Keep on inhaling. Keep on inhaling. Just relax. Slowly open your, slowly bring your head up. Legs, hands up. No, sorry, head up. Right? And bring your hands like Bhujangasana. Bring Bhujangasana. We'll just try for this for relaxation. Okay, only one asana. Hands, your palms are placed beside your ribs. Okay, beside your ribs. Your elbows are also as near as possible to your body, and your feet are totally stretching downwards. Let them go downwards. Stretch out well. Stretch out well, and lift your front portion of your body up till your navel region only. Till your navel region is in touch with the floor. This is only for relaxation I'm giving. Feel the stretch, feel the stretch, feel the stretch. Squeeze your abs, your hips in. Keep on squeezing your hips in. And slowly come down by exhaling. Chin to the ground. Forehead to the ground. For a while, relax the same way. Just relax in the same position. Do not disturb yourself. Your palms, your wrists are as near as possible to your body. They are practically in touch with your ribs. Okay? Your hands and your wrists are in touch with your ribs. Okay? Elbows also as near as possible to your body. Ribs are in touch with your wrists are in touch with your ribs. Once again, keep to the ground and lift your head up till your navel region come up. Your navel region is in touch with the floor. Keep on pulling your leg downwards. Keep on pulling your legs downwards. Keep on inhaling, exhaling. Feel the stretch, feel the stretch, feel the stretch into your legs, your hamstrings, your hips region. Squeeze your hips in. Keep on inhaling, exhaling. And very slowly come down to your chin touching the ground first, and then forehead touching the ground, and then relax. You come to sthiti, stretch out well your both hands, leg also stretch out, and then cross your hands. Cross your hands Place your palms on your shoulders and head on your hands and widen your legs. Your legs are widened in such a way your toes are towards your body. Toes are towards your body. Just keep on increasing. They are not going downwards. Keep on increasing. Your feet are upwards. Keep on increasing. Keep on increasing. Keep on increasing. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Relax your whole body. Just relax your whole body. Just relax. Slowly release your legs, release your hands, release your head, and come to your sitting position and relax. Okay? Enjoy your weekend. I'm sorry yesterday I couldn't complete the whole session. Very sorry for that. Oh, just relax. And I posted all the videos. All the videos are there on YouTube. You can watch them, okay? Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.